everyone, Dr. Michelle Dickinson here, author of the Kitchen Science Cookbook and a person who loves science, especially science you can eat. Thought I'd share another recipe with you today, and this is how you make your own butter. It's crazy. All you need is some cream and an empty jar or an empty box. I'm going to pour the cream into the jar. This is the easy bit. Now you're going to need some strong muscles for this, so make sure you've had a snack and you've got lots of energy, because what we're going to do is we're going to shut the jar, making sure it doesn't leak, and then you're just going to shake it. And you're going to keep shaking it for 5 minutes. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply enough energy with our arms and our shaking force to get the fat particles inside the cream to start sticking together. All right, here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, you can hear it now. It's just started making a sloshy sound. When you, it's very hot in here. When you hear it making the sloshy sound, you'll see a very, very water-like sort of liquid in there. That is buttermilk. And what you'll also see is a solid, and that is your butter. And so if we take out the solid, you will see that is how you make butter. Give it a rinse with some cold water and then add your favorite flavors. So you can make sweet butter with a bit of honey, make garlic or salty butter. And you'll also have your buttermilk, which you can make pancakes with. There you go, that's how you make butter, literally with just some cream and some strong biceps.